What is this called? Garden hose. What is this called? Fire extinguisher. What is this called? Helmet. What is this called? Fire hydrant. What is this called? X. What is this called? Spade. What is this called? Gas mask. What is this called? Gloves. What is this called? Boots. What is this called? Hairdryer. What is this called? Razor. What is this called? Toilet. What is this called? Comb. What is this called? Faucet. What is this called? Toilet paper. What is this called? Safety goggle. What is this called? Plunger. What is this called? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.